Hey everybody, this is Jack Kasel with Anthony Cole Training Group and bringing you the next installment of our Sales Brew. And it's that time of year where we're getting out of the winter doldrums. We're not quite in summer yet, so we're in that season that a lot of people enjoy, which is spring. And baseball players are down in spring training getting their skills enhanced, and we're in the middle of March Madness for basketball. And as you look around your house, you might see some things that need to be maybe freshened up just a tad. Maybe we have to do a total overhaul, a total revamping, or changing something. But we want to go through and make sure that we do some improvement around the house. And so, as we look forward to our spring cleaning, what about your sales process? Needs some spring cleaning. Maybe there's some steps that we're maybe trying to shortcut the process. And we have a lot of people come to us and say, "Hey, Jack, we get together. Can we help our team close more business?" And we find out the problem is at the closing, the problem is in the opening because they're not quite doing the things they need to do to fully qualify. And so, as you're thinking about maybe getting rid of some of the clutter, are you talking about things that have zero impact on the person you're talking to? And the person you're talking to doesn't want to hear how great and wonderful your products and services are. They want to know, I have this issue which is keeping me from going my business. Can you help me? So, are we getting into talking about things that are irrelevant? Or are we having conversations about their businesses and the things that need to improve? And are we skipping steps? Are we trying to shortcut the process? And we see a lot of things that happen when deals get stuck in the pipeline. It's simply because of this. They tried to shortcut the process. Folks, the process is the process. So as you think about spring cleaning around the home, thinking about maybe spring cleaning your sales process. What do you need to do be better at? You need to be better on the phone when you're making those initial phone calls. Do you need to be better at opening the call and in closing for next steps? And do you got to make sure that they're truly dealing with a problem, or did they simply have a circumstance that's frustrating to them? So, as we go through and continue our journey through the year, I think it was Socrates that said, "An unexamined life is not worth living." Well, thinking about that from a sales perspective, an unexamined sales process is not worth having. So if we're doing things the same way we did last year, guess what, folks? We're going to get the same results this year. So what are you willing to change? What are you willing to update? What are you willing to maybe do an overhaul on? And so there's a lot of things out there that can help you do that. A great sales coach can help you. Contacting Anthony Cole Training Group can help you because we can walk through the process and better understand what's getting in your way. So as you go through the spring, get ready for summer. Hope you have some great spring cleaning to make the house look great. And I hope you have some great spring cleaning to make your process help you become great. Thanks for listening. Take care.